Indeed, there are a lot of ways to earn money online. You can earn from watching, clicking, and other various methods. Well, I want to share with you that you can even make money online just by reading words. That's right, you can earn money just by reading. For today's video, we will focus on how you can utilize reading in order to earn $200 to $1,000 online. Aside from that, this strategy is completely free and you can access it anywhere in the world. Stay tuned on this video as I will teach you the step-by-step process of how you can earn money online from reading. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Before I start with the step-by-step procedure, let me show you this first. What you are seeing right now is the amount that you can earn from the website that we will be using. As you can see, you can make up to $250 within minutes with this strategy. With just 30 to 45 minutes, your earnings can increase up to $1,000. If you try to compute it, you will see that you are actually earning $22 per minute. That's a lot, right? So make sure to finish this video because I will show you how you can do this too. Again, make sure to follow the steps properly because you might not earn your money if you miss a step. The first step is to go to voices.com. The website looks like this. A lot of trusted brands such as Spotify, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Microsoft, Los Angeles Times, etc. are using this website. With this, we can say that this website is legitimate. Also, they release payments every day via PayPal, check, or bank transfer. They also provide other payment methods so you do not need to worry. Basically, the website offers various categories and projects which you can choose from. Later, I will tell you which category offers the most pay. So you need to choose a category and a project. Once you have them, they will give you a script or a template containing all the words that you need to read out loud. Now, you just need to record your voice saying those words and you will get paid depending on how long the voiceover is. There are projects that last for 15 minutes and there are others that reach 45 minutes. It all depends on the project that you will choose. One thing I love about this website is that there are infinite opportunities waiting for you. They always refresh their job postings and they offer a wide range of genres. Some projects require 5 minutes of your time, which you can record as soon as possible. Once you are done, you will start earning money. So, if you have time in your hands, you can start reading and earn money online. Also, you do not need any professional microphone for this website. You can use your phone's microphone or your earphones to record the script. It does not matter if you use an Android or Apple phone. You can record your voices with any of your gadgets. Aside from that, you do not need to show your face nor reveal your identity. What they need from you is your voice. The scripts are also provided by the site. Thus, you do not need to write or think of something to say. To sign up for this site, look at the upper right-hand side of the screen and press the sign up button. You will get redirected to another page where you will be asked if you're looking for a talent or applying to be a talent. Just choose the work as a talent option. Again, the page will reload and it will show you the list of information that you need to fill in. Just insert your full name, email address, and password. You also need to agree with their terms and conditions as well as their privacy policy. You can also opt to use your Google account for an easier sign up process. Once you have your account, you will see various industries on your dashboard. There are categories such as advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brand education, financial service, gaming, healthcare, and etc. Now, I will tell you what categories will pay you the most amount of money and the jobs that are most suitable for beginners. These are also the categories that work for a lot of countries such as Philippines, Korea, Germany, and etc. These categories are education, advertising, and gaming. We will focus on these categories because they pay the most amount of money. It also requires the least amount of time, so it is really a great opportunity for you to maximize your earnings within a short period of time. Let's take education as an example. Right here, you can see the different voice actors who are working with voices.com. They are all getting paid every time that they do some voiceovers. I know that my audience is diverse. Some of you might come from countries that are using a different language. With this, look at the left side of the screen. You will see a language option. There are languages from Africa, Arabic regions, Bulgarian, Asia, and etc. You will always have an option so you do not need to worry because you can pick the language that you are most comfortable to use. Now, once you receive your script, you just need to read it out loud and you will earn money from that. If you want to earn more money, make sure to choose the jobs that are over 45 minutes long. With that, you can easily earn $1,000 whenever you finish the voiceover. After signing up and opening your account, you can come over here to see the available jobs for you. There are a lot of hiring jobs that you can choose from. You will also see that they are spying more than $200. Try scrolling down and you will see that they really have unlimited earning opportunities for you because the possible job options are endless. Just browse and look for the job that you want the most. They will give you a sample script that you will have to read. You will also see the client's name, their age of preference for the voice actor, the gender that they are looking for, and all the necessary information that you will need regarding the said project. They also provide 30-second and 15-second podcast intro that you can try to read out loud. One of the greatest things about this website is that they have a phone application that you can use. It is available in Google Play and App Store. It is really an easy way to earn money, so try it now. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.